Good morning, class. Today's topic is jump statement. What is the jump statement? Jump statements that handle the unconditional control transfer are known as jump statement. Unconditional control transfer are known as jump statement. Okay. In Java, Java supports three unconditional control transfers. That is the break statement, continue statement, and return statement. These three statements are known as jump statement. First of all, we discuss about the break statement. What is the break statement? It is used to break or terminate the execution of the loop even if test condition is true. Okay, it's a jump statement. It is used to break or terminate the execution of the loop even if test condition is true. Here we are using loop, means it terminated the loop. You already used that particular keyword in cases, switch cases. In there we are using the break statement to break the each case. Okay, but here in jump statements we are using within loop this statement. Okay, let's see an example of the break statement. Suppose we write here for loop int I is equals to 1, I less than equals to 5, and I plus plus. After this, we write a condition if I equals to 3. Okay, if this condition is true, within this condition we write here break and close the if block. Then after, I am writing here SOPLN I value and close here loop. Okay, it's a simple coding. So here see, I value is 1, this condition is true, control comes to inside the loop, body of loop. Here is one more condition if I equals to 3. So this condition is false because I value is 1, not equals to 3. This condition is false, then control come out the if condition. Here is the printing statement SOPI. So I value is 1. It will print 1. Okay, after this increase the I value. Now I value is 2. Check the condition, this condition is true, control comes to this part. Here is 2 is not equals to 3, means this condition is false. Then control comes to next statement, that is the SOPI. I value is 2. Okay, next time increase the I value. Now I value is 3. This condition is true. When control comes to if block, here is 3 equals to 3, means this condition is also true. When this condition is true, control comes to inside the if block, there is the break statement. Here is break statement. So what is the work of break statement? To terminate the execution of loop. Here my loop executed 1 to 5 times, but here this condition is true, then control stop the execution of loop, means control come out from the loop. Break statement means control come out from the loop. It's it's a loop block, so control come out from this loop block. Come out from the loop means final answer of this coding is only 1, 2. Rest of the iteration of the loop is stopped. Okay, because this condition is true and break statement is present here. So what is the work of the break statement? To come out or terminate the loop immediately. When this condition is true, when I value is 3, means your condition is true, control come out from the loop. So final value of this coding is only 1, 2. Now again control not comes to next iteration. Okay, it's a simple work of the example of the break statement.